All right, let's talk weather here with meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. And Mariel, up in the newsroom, we have these giant windows, which I love, but you can really see how gloomy today is right here as well.
And that's what it's going to look like a majority of the day. We're talking cold, we're talking wet weather, and a few of us may even see some flurries. I know. I don't know how you feel about that, Cleo.
I don't mind it. I don't mind it as long as I'm home by the time it happens. Yeah.
And you will be. I want to show you, though, what the winter weather advisory in North Texas. It does include Wise, Denton, Collin County, and we are looking at this starting at noon to midnight. The reason this is in place is for the potential of accumulation, maybe some minor travel hazards along the roadways as we approach the evening hours. Right now, 43 degrees at DFW. There is a wind chill, and it's because of that strong northeast wind at about 14 miles per hour. It feels like 36 degrees out, even though our actual temperature is in the 40s for a big portion of North Texas. That's why this is just rain. We do have a little snow starting to mix in. I see it mainly for our far western counties. This is still about 50 miles west of Interstate 35, west of Denton. I'm seeing a little bit of this moving into portions of, say, northwestern Wise County. I even saw just a little bit south of Wichita there. Here we go. Jacksboro is where we're looking at that. So again, a lot of this likely not reaching the ground just because that temperature is above 32 degrees. We're taking a look across the entire North Texas region. Moderate to light rainfall at the moment. I'm not seeing any lightning right now, but we could see some storms develop mostly to the south and east of the area. Now, as far as the rest of the afternoon goes, I want to show you how this develops. This is now through the mid-afternoon hours, so about 4 in the afternoon. Look at this temperature, still in the low 40s. We're seeing that rain across the area. A few locations in Denton, Collin County in the upper 30s, still above freezing. And even where we're seeing that snow develop along our western counties at this time, still above freezing. This means this is not sticking. We're looking at that rain to snow transition, then getting very close to the I-35 corridor around 5 in the afternoon. We're going to notice still those temperatures above freezing. That rain starting to kind of lighten up a little bit. We'll see that rain to snow transition at this time. This is around 6 or 7 now. I know a lot of us still on the roadways at this time, but around this time, we're going to see a bit more of that rain to snow transition now across portions of Tarrant County, entering portions of Dallas County, Collin County already included in that. But as temperatures, they're going to be staying above that freezing point across all of North Texas. The exception may be bridges and overpasses if you're in Denton, Collin County, and towards the Red River. Again, accumulations will be very light at this point, and then it starts to taper off. This is around 9 or 10 in the evening across portions of the Red River. It looks like things are really starting to taper off. Rain snow mix for portions of Tarrant, Denton, and Collin County as we approach mid-afternoon, early evening hours, mostly snow well to the north and west. And then as we approach the evening hours into tonight, again, most of this will stop falling before midnight, but we're going to see that rain to snow transition still along the I-20 corridor, but really not too much more south than that. A dusting at best for Dallas-Fort Worth. We could see closer to about ½ an inch in northern Collin and Denton counties, and even closer to 1 to 3 inches if you're close to the Red River. We may see some accumulation on grassy areas, maybe some elevated surfaces, but a dusting at best for Dallas-Fort Worth. As far as the rainfall goes, that's the big story. Really the rest of the day, we could still pick up close to about 1 inch of rain. We've only seen about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain across Dallas-Fort Worth since rain started really overnight. Temperatures tonight will stay in the mid-30s, about 35 degrees in Fort Worth, 36 in Dallas. We'll notice that moisture really exiting the region by tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the 40s, cloudy Wednesday. It dries up Thursday, Friday as temperatures dip slightly below freezing.